Onto the story now. The High Court in Pretoria has dismissed former SAA board chairperson Dudu Myeni's leave to appeal her delinquency judgment. Her application for new evidence has also been denied. Both applications were dismissed with costs. Reporter Heidi Giokos has been following the story for us. Now, Heidi, Outa and SAPA have won yet again in court in this case. Give us the details.
Yes, exactly. So we understand that Dudu Myeni filed an application for leave to appeal the delinquency matter. We know earlier this year the Pretoria High Court ordered that Dudu Myeni be declared a delinquent director for life. And this was her involvement with regards to when she was board chair at SAA, and Outa and SAPA believed that she was the main reason for the serious financial mismanagement that happened at the national carrier. And this is when they decided to take Myeni to court, and they won that application to have her declared a delinquent director. But Myeni decided that she wants to appeal that, and this is when the application was heard about a month and a half ago. She also put a new application in for new evidence to be heard. She wanted new evidence with regards to a testimony. She wanted evidence to be heard with regards to a testimony from state capture, but both those applications myself have been dismissed. So we understand that it's another win for Outa and the South African Airways Pilots Association, as both those applications have been dismissed.
Well, Heidi, what's also key here is the court ruling in favor of an enforcement order. What will this mean for Dudu Myeni?
Yes, so when Dudu Myeni placed the application for leave to appeal, as well as the new application to have new evidence brought forward in the courts, Outa and the Pilots Association decided that they want an enforcement order, because automatically when there is an application for leave to appeal, it suspends the current order and the current judgment. And Outa and SAPA believe that this was extremely concerning, as we understand that Dudu Myeni still holds directorship in a number of companies, including the Jacob Zuma Foundation. And Outa and SAPA did not want this to happen, and this is why they asked for an enforcement order, and this was granted by the Pretoria High Court. So even if Dudu Myeni decides that she wants to head to the Supreme Court of Appeal, there is an enforcement order that she be declared a delinquent director and hold no directorship in any company, even if she wishes to appeal the current judgments.
All right, Heidi, so have we heard anything from Myeni's legal team?
We have, in fact, myself, we understand that Dudu Myeni has instructed her legal team to head to the Supreme Court of Appeal. They will be challenging this current judgment by the Pretoria High Court. Eric Mabuza, who represents Dudu Myeni, has told the NCA that they will be heading to the Supreme Court, and they're going to exercise further rights in terms of the enforcement order, as they do not believe in it. So according to Eric Mabuza, he says everything still stands because they will be heading to the Supreme Court. So it's another legal battle for Dudu Myeni.
Well, thank you very much for your time. That's Heidi Giokos coming to us live there on the Dudu Myeni judgment.